Well, hello everybody. I'm taking the Goldwing out for a ride. I don't know if I really show you anything about it, but don't have my spider yet back. It's supposed to be working on it last week and putting the plastics back together. But there's my Goldwing. I love my Goldwing. It's a motor trike razor. But I like it. I like to let it warm up for a little bit. It's a 6-cylinder, opposing 6-cylinder, which anybody knows about that. The worst thing about it are the front shocks. So, going for a ride. Take it out of reverse. Yeah, had thunderstorms all day yesterday. Had a branch come down. I picked it up out of the front yard, out of the yard up here. I saw it hanging there the other day. Yeah, comes some little girls on little scooters. They're so cute. Well, it is a little cool. What is it? 66. Cool on the legs. I got sweatpants on, but the air goes right through them. I won't go far. This is all. Used to be able to go both ways on this frontage road. Now it's one way each way, which kind of makes our trips a little about 4 miles longer. Kind of a pain. I got to go up here, but when I go back that way, I got to turn around here, go back the other way. So I'm a mile of my way this way. Well, hello there again, YouTube. Just out for a ride. It's kind of cool. Well, 64. Yeah, it was 66, and I guess I pulled it out of the shop. It's a little cool, but it's not too bad. Not going for a big, long ride. Hopefully I go to be able to pick my spider up Tuesday. I have to call them every single day, make sure they get it. They've been putting me off for I think I took it there in February, and today is April 17th maybe. I even bought the parking brake cable, but apparently the take-up wheel was broke too. The little stopper on the inside, so they had to order that. They've had it a long time. I don't know why it takes them so long. I've been pretty patient because I still have this to ride, but haven't been able to ride the spider in a couple months because I don't have it.